All right, very quickly, if you read the title, you may notice that we're looking at a Thayer and Chandler Model A. They've got all the original paperwork with it. This is what brought me to this. I was cleaning out brushes and I was looking at stuff. Here's the original parts list and all the stuff that comes with it. And then there was this one little piece of paper here. Here's the brush. I run a rubber band on there because you don't want that cup to fall off. But there was this little piece of paper here, and it says, important, please read before using. Screwing in the spray regulator, the tip here, this very end tip, will cut down the air supply for stippling effects. The spray regulator is now factory set for finest spray. Screw in only for stippling effects. Now, I didn't know that. I was running my gun, and you adjust your air by your valve on your coupling or whatever. So I guess technically you could say that it doesn't matter where it's set as long as you adjust your line pressure. But stippling effects, it should maybe spray a little smoother, configuring the tip to the opening and having it farther forward may help keep that needle cleaner too. So if you got a Model A and you didn't have this piece of paper that came with it, that's what comes with it. Important information. That tip needs to be screwed out. Try it, see what you think. Cut.